My name is Adrienne Kirby, and I'm the President and CEO of Cooper University Healthcare. So what that means is that I run the day-to-day operations of the hospital, over 100 outpatient offices, and I oversee the 500-person physician organization. Cooper is a 600-bed academic tertiary care safety net hospital. We are the designated trauma center for Southern New Jersey. We also have one of the major heart programs in the region. And we're always looking for creative ways to be more efficient while improving quality and service. So we devote a lot of time to thinking about how to do things better, faster, and for less money. I work with the community on many different levels. We are not-for-profit to start with, and we take care of many folks that don't have any place else to go for care. We do a lot of service. And I have most recently been the chairperson for the American Heart Association Go Red for Women event, where we raised a significant amount of money to advance the education about heart disease for women across all sectors of the population. I'm active in an organization, it's called the American College of Healthcare Executives. So within that organization, there's a formal mentoring program, and I work with a lot of women as they're entering the profession. Also women that are transitioning, maybe they've been downsized or they're moving to a new community. So lots of work done on formally mentoring women in my profession. The advice I would give a young girl who is thinking about entering healthcare is to realize that you are going to be part of people's lives during periods of profound joy, but you're also going to be part of people's lives during profound loss. But I would think about it from the perspective of making sure that you are a person who gets your rewards from serving other people. I have always thought about how can I, in my position, mentor and support other women who are trying to advance their careers. I have often seen a spark in people that others have overlooked. I think technical proficiency and competence is only a piece of it. But you're never going to motivate people to do what you need them to do for the organization by data alone. You have to touch what's important to them. You have to be able to show that you're working towards a common goal. I think another way I try to motivate my team is I like to have fun. Around the holidays, I try to have people together. We do retreats at my beach house where we try to work. And guess what? We get a heck of a lot more work done in a day when we're looking at the bay than we do locked up in the boardroom. I really view myself as a conductor. So like a conductor, I can't play every instrument. I never would try to play every instrument. But I could coordinate the efforts of the team, set the pace, give the direction to be able to play some really beautiful music. I've had many role models in my life, but probably the most important one has been my mother. She had such a big spirit and she was such a big personality. She had a passion for life. She lived every day to the fullest. She loved people, and she really instilled in both my sister and I love for learning and always looking for the best in people. Another personal role model is my daughter, and she's very strong. She's an amazing mother to my 2 grandchildren. So of course I think she's a role model, but I don't think she realizes how important the work that she does is. Another person who's a role model, and I think he would be surprised to know this because I don't want him to really know, I don't tell him, is my husband. He's just this amazing combination of kindness and strength, and he's always been in my corner. And I don't think without him I could be where I am today. As far as role models go, though, I do believe they're all over. I look at the people who I work with every day, my team. I look at the staff across the hospital, the doctors, the nurses, the therapists, and I see role models everywhere that I go. I think each individual has a strength that they bring to what they do, and if you're looking for it, you can see a role model in every single person that you interact with. One of my fondest memories growing up was Camp in Camden. I can't tell you how many times I still say to my husband, I want to go back to camp. I think the Girl Scouts really does give you an opportunity to try new things, to learn new things, to sort of explore yourself a little bit at a great age when you really need to be doing that. The advice I would give young girls today is to work hard, is to never give up, and if you have a dream, go after it. I think as long as you're willing to really focus, to bring energy and passion to what you do and believe in what you do, there are no boundaries at all.